Along with bright orange blooms and lush green leaves, this orchid releases a fragrant and compelling fragrance that is equally long-lasting when used in perfumes. Let's learn more about the components of our fragrance compositions. To enhance your mood and feelings of well-being, we have included therapeutic orchids. These orchids serve to impart its calming benefits while improving our health with its medicinal properties. This therapeutic orchid doesn't just look beautiful and stunning, it also offers great herbal and medicinal uses. It helps to remove excessive heat and harmful toxins from our body and is often used as an herb to treat abscesses, snake bites, and even lymphatic tuberculosis. Another orchid with rich medicinal values, this plant helps in enriching yin, improving appetite, digestion, and relieving dry throat. To enhance the complexity of this composition, we have included fragrance ingredients such as pineapple, lemon, and orris root. The fruitiness of pineapples is emphasized by its tropical sweetness with a juiciness that enhances its mouth-watering attribute. Its sweetness allows it to be incorporated into fragrances flawlessly, stimulating a joyful spirit in us when smelling its delicious scent. Packed with antioxidants and anti-aging properties, pineapple oil is not only moisturizing, it also helps increase the body's ability to build collagen, aiding in a smoother and youthful-looking skin. Soft, sweet, and powdery with woody nuances, orris is highly fashionable in perfumery due to its scent, which works brilliantly in perfumes as a fixative, increasing longevity of perfumes. In aromatherapy, orris is a powerful solution to seek for easing anxiety, stress, depression, and mental fatigue. This fragrance composition has the essence of a modern cologne, clean, simple, and sophisticated. Reminiscent of clean linens, your favorite freshly laundered white tea, and the freshness that lingers after showering, it is an aroma that leaves you feeling renewed each morning.